Hey, what's up YouTube? Just want to do a little update on my bike. Just got some new parts from Colt. Thanks for hooking it up. Right here, new frame, the Colt Butter frame. I got Colt Death Row V2 8.65 rise, I think 30 wide. The stem, I got a S&M Race XLT. Animal headset, woo. Race XL or S&M Slam XL Pitchfork XLT forks, G Sport gland hub guard, Colt pegs, 3 of them, Colt pedals, Primo cranks, Primo hollow bites, Primo bottom bracket, Primo back hub guard, Primo hub laced to a Crank Orion rim, and then in the front is a Demolition Phantom laced to a Crank Orion rim, and a Colt DAC seat, and then a stock fit seat post, and then Primo sprocket and Shadow interlock chain. This new frame, it's hard to get used to, but I love it now. Alright, I'll be posting up some riding clips tonight. Alright, adios.